Welcome back to the channel. It's Uncle Roig. We're at it again. Listen, we're going to talk about this economy crashing thing. Let's just start off by saying, well, it's not good. And the real reason is the storm's coming. You got over 40 million people who haven't paid their mortgage and or rent. They can't foreclose on them. They can't take, and go repossess their cars. And the jobs that are being lost right now are just heartbreaking. I just talked to a lady. She was a store manager for Victoria's Secret, and they came and they laid her off and they closed the store down. She said she got a severance package, but she goes, I got a master's degree and no job now, and she still owes a big student loan payment, and she's just like everybody else. She's got a bunch of money on credit cards and smothered, covered, chunked in debt. And this is the thing again, if you're not dumping that bad debt, you're doomed, period. Bad things happen to good people, unfortunately. And just when you think you got it licked, maybe you were that Delta pilot making $200K a year and, you were one of the ones that got laid off. Just when you thought you had your niche and you were ahead, what do you go do now? And this is why I stressed everybody, you've got to have a plan B, a side hustle, something that generates cash. I don't care if you're selling stuff on eBay, you're selling stuff on Etsy. You have to make things in your garage and sell it. If you go to Craigslist, Fakebook Marketplace, things of that nature, you've got to make sure that you get a hold of this thing, because the real storm is coming. All of these retailers are closing. The malls are going extinct. This isn't new. This isn't surprising. I feel like the government decided that Walmart and Amazon were going to win through the pandemic, and they did. So something just to keep in mind, a little food for thought. Just want to kind of plant that seed for you and, get the ball rolling a little bit, because, if you weren't doing good, again, when the economy was doing good, how are you going to do any better when it does go bad? You just have to be in the position, get yourself liquid, get yourself out of debt, and then take advantage of the good opportunities that are going to come. And if, maybe you're buying gold and silver, haven't talked about that in a minute. And again, if you don't like volatility of the market, have a raw asset in your hand that you can turn into cash. And, I just stressed a couple videos ago about carrying cash on you. What if, your bank suffers a cyber attack and you couldn't withdraw the money from the ATM, and again, you're going to have the haters saying, oh, don't carry any money on you. And that's another reason, these are things, again, that I just want to plant the seed so that when bad things happen, it's just not a surprise. So again, do me a solid, fist bump the like button, subscribe, click that little notification bell. Let me know what's going on in your world. Sheesh.